Okay. So now we are going to open our PDMS. So
PDMS design.
yes, PDMS design is the icon. We need to double click on this. Just double click on this. One window will open. Okay, so do not close this one. This one window, huh? Do not close this one. You just need to minimize this. Project
Okay.
sample. You need to select project sample here. Username. There are
Okay.
lots of username. You need to choose the pipe and in bracket user for piping tutorials. Okay. Next is the password. Password you need to choose PIPE. The same as per the username PIPE. Correct. Next MD
Okay.
is same sample. You need to click same sample for piping. Okay, sample, and then click on the login. Then you need to just wait for a couple of seconds. It will get loaded.
Okay.
Okay. So today is just a
Okay.
introduction and a brief about the tool in PDMS. So
PDMS.
this window is the actually the workspace for PDMS. This is the window
PDMS.
where we are going to model our project like equipment, our piping, our platforms, isometrics, okay, etc. And
Okay.
I'm closing this command window so you know that from where it will come. Actually, see, this is the design explorer. Okay, this window is used for the hierarchy.
Design
Uh,
Explorer.
you know that now what is the hierarchy?
I don't know. Sorry.
You don't know, huh? Okay, so let me
Uh,
explain. In
Actually, I want to know the creating of the DB sets.
Sorry,
Basic DB is creating MDB and DB creating that admin we
so
have
what we are not going to learn here the admin part. We are going to learn here the designing part. Okay, how
design part only.
yes,
Okay.
design part. How to model equipment, how to route any pipe, how to use um, equipment module, piping module, isometric module, right?
Yes.
Actually, the mechanical section, which comes under the mechanical,
Yes.
like piping scope, right?
Mechanical.
So
Okay.
one by one, we are going to see the brief introduction about PDMS. So this is my one of the design. You just need to click here, save work. You know about it.
Say
Next,
work.
get work.
Okay.
When we
Okay.
know that in the live project, when multiple users are working on the same project at the same time, how you will get the idea that uh,
Okay.
yes, how you will get the idea about adjacent of your workspace that someone is doing some work, okay, and you are doing some other work. So you
Yes.
it should be updated to your workspace also that that what are the modifications going on at the same time at other end. Okay, so if you want to check that, then you
Okay.
need to click on the get work so that
Get work.
adjacent of your equipments or line, someone working on that, so that will automatically updated on your workspace here. Okay, so we are
Okay.
going to use this get work. So yes, Sagar, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, and my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's continue. Next is the design. Next, you just clear focus on this. This is the general window. Okay, general window means now we are on the general mode. Next is the module like equipment. While we are going to model our equipment, we have to select this equipment module. Okay, If we are going to model our piping, then we need to click on the pipe work. Okay, and if you are from the electrical background, then cable trays are there. That is for electrical scope. HVAC designers. Structure is for the civil. Okay, like beams and column, panel, wall and floor, ASL modeler. Okay, so these different types of modules are there. Got it? And yes, next exit, you know that if you want to exit, then you need to click on this. But I will tell you, do not use this option exit. Okay, I will clarify you what needs you have to do. Okay, next is the display. Click on the display. This is my graphical view. Graphical view means this one. Okay, design view control explorer, design explorer. Okay, see, this is my design explorer. This one, this hierarchy is, this is my design explorer. If sometime this design explorer is invisible, then you need to click on this design and design explorer here. Okay, next draw list, my data reference attributes. These are the attribute window. If you click on this, it will you will get idea what are these types of things once we are going once we are going to model any model. Okay, any equipment, then you will get idea. Next is the search. If you want to search any tag number, so you need to being on this status compare member, click on the member. This is also for references. Okay, once we are going to model our piping, then these two window will needs to open. Okay, so it will understood to you once we are start our piping section for these two window. Got it? Okay,
Okay.
display next, advanced member command window. So once you will click on this, so there is a
Command.
command window will open. So all the commands we are going to write in this window, and okay, so accordingly they will work for our modeling. Next is the edit, delete, selection, rotate, walk to, save to, view one, look, north, south. Okay. So for the look, north, south, you know that now what are these different types of position orientations or okay. What is the meaning of this? North, south, east, west, up and down. The
It's
shortcut.
the direction.
Yes, these are the direction, and the shortcut for these the directions are here. Word axis. Okay. How
Okay.
you are going to model your equipment? You need to click on this and see. They will like this. Next, another one thing I want to show you. Just click on the right click. One window will open. So here you need to select the isometric view. Isometric 1, isometric 2. Okay, different views you are able to choose here. Okay. Next,
Okay.
the same actually that view. This one, these all options you are here actually at the right click. Plan north, plan south, plan okay, look north. Got it? So these are the different functions, and they will use according to your need. Okay. Restore view,
Okay.
save view. So no, don't use this save view. Only you need to use look, plan, isometric. Okay. Got it? So these are some
Got
options.
it.
We are going to use actually all these options. So you will get idea while we are going to model any equipment. Okay. Next is the view is done. Selection. Just forget it. Query general attribute properties, the same attributes, the same thing, huh? Properties, The element does not have any property. Actually, nothing will be selected here. If you are going to select something, then it will come. I am going to select one of the equipment. Then it will give me some properties, maybe 3 and properties. No, it does not have any properties. Sample stabilizer pipe. Okay. This one, I am choosing one of the pipe here and then go to query and properties. No. Yes. Now it will come. The gasket properties, design property information. Okay. Connection, GDB, gasket, raised face, 1.5 mm, ANSI, B, 16.5, ISO draft symbol, not yet checked by, check date, approved by. Okay, so these types of some different properties are there. It will not our purpose. These are the purpose related to the admin part. They are going to fix it. Okay, maximum things. You are not going to change anything from here. Got it? This is only for your knowledge purpose. Okay. Next is just let it be axis same. These are some axis window. Okay. Just close it. If we'll use, then we'll see it. Go to setting. Yes, setting here. We need to pick filter. Okay, yes. We need to do setting at the for the piping section actually. At the time of piping section. Yes. So setting, if you will go to the graphic setting, graphic setting. So we know that this is 3D view, background color black. If you want to change, then you can able to change from here. Okay, any color if you want to change. Next is shaped border walkout, load save color here. CE means it means the current element. If you will select on your current element, then that will be selected with the yellow color. Okay, active. At some line you are working on some line, then that is in this dark oranged color. Highlighted means a red color. Okay. Representations, tube, center line, insulation off, insulation on. If you want to on the your insulation at the time of pipe routing. Okay. These are the different. Actually, you know that insulation is the outer part of pipe. So if we want to see our pipe or as well as our insulation, so we need to select the percentage of insulation visibleness 87 75. Okay, so insulation is in blurred and your pipe is also be there. They both are the visible. Okay, got it? Yes, got it.
Sir, yes.
Okay, next is the steel work. Let it be cabling and piping P point. Okay, so just leave it. Nothing related to you. Naming, auto naming, no. Setting, coordinate, pick filter. Okay, we'll use these things once we will start our piping. Utilities, now some things are here. Utilities, data consistency means while we are working on like one of the branch I have dragged in my workspace. Okay, so actually I have left the PDMS from many maximum actually last 2 years I worked on PDMS. Okay, utility data consistency. If you will, okay, so yes, data consistency, current element and piping. Data consistency means you need to check the errors. Okay, But to check the errors, there is one command in PDMS. I will show you. That is the CHCE, check error. Okay, please, and also no, please write down these commands. Okay, one by one, day by day, na will start to work with the help of command also. So it's good for you if you are start to writing the all the commands. What is the use of this command and why? What is the purpose? Okay, so this command is used for the checking the errors in any line being on branch, and you just need to write ch space ce, check, and ce meaning is the error, check error. Okay.
Okay.
No data consistency means no error is there in this line. Okay, so just clear it. Next is setting pick filter. Okay, comparison explorer. No need to use this, cancel it. Yes, we are here actually at the utilities. Data checker clashes, associate auto naming system, adds year or list, reporting standard is reference data. General mass properties, run, create, modify. Construct surface treatment system. No, we'll go to next. Next is the create. Create means we need to create something. Either we need to create site, zone. You know that what is the hierarchy in PDMS? Actually, in PDMS, initially there is a model. Okay, model name actually. So this is the model name or word. We can call it word. Word means your whole your total model name is there. Actually, everything will come under this. Okay, anything you will model, everything will come under this. This is the topmost. So we can call it model name. Next is there is a site. You need to create site. Okay, like this, site. All the sites are come under this design word. Okay, next under site we need to create zone. So like this, under site, see, zones are under site, sites are under design word. So the hierarchy will work like that in PDMS. Got it? And under zone, either equipment is there or either piping is there. Okay, piping is there. So it's up to you. So see, under zone, there are different pipes are there, many pipes are there. So hierarchy will work like that in PDMS. So see, under zone, equipments also there, and under zone pipes are also there. You got it? You got my point or not?
Got it.
Got it now? You just
Yes,
imagine
sir.
that in a college or in a school, there is a director, under that there is a principal, under that there is a vice principal, under that there is a teacher. Okay, so like that. And end of
Okay.
the day there is a students, there are the students. So it is like that. So under pipe, branch should be there. Okay, so the hierarchy will work like that in PDMS. Okay, you need to very careful about this. Also, you need to write this thing also. Hierarchy in PDMS, model, site, zone, and rest part is the equipment and piping. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Just write down all the things. So all the nodes will work for you. Next, create. So create site. While you are going to create, then you need to go to this option, create site, create zone. Okay. So we'll see this. We'll create
Okay.
a new site and we'll start. Modify. If you want to modify something, name, some attribute. Okay. So from this, all these options, we are going to modify. If you want to change the hierarchy, if you want to modify the hierarchy, then this is the option, reverse order, reorder, include. Okay. Properties like lock, and yes, for the delete, if you want to delete something, then what you need, like if I want to delete this pipe, then either need to click this, or either you need to click this. This is the delete C, like this, a read only database. Okay, so initially I need to claim this. So how to claim? CLAM, claim pipe CE hierarchy. Okay, this is read only actually. Okay, sample pipe. Design and pipe work. Okay, then just click on the pipe and claim pipe CE hierarchy. Why it is. Either we have choose some different module or okay, so we need to check this. Nothing is going to pipe work. Okay, let me create a new pipe, then we'll see. Are we able to create and pipe read only DB actually? Okay, I think we have choose some different module. Okay, okay, I will see. See. Okay, we'll see. We'll see later about the read only DB. Next is connect, branch and component actually. Okay, we'll see for the at the pipe at the start of the piping. So for the deletion, you need to click on this, and this is for save work. This button is for the save work, or either you can also use the same SAVEWORK, save work. This command, okay. And if you want to delete anything, then delete space CE. Got it? So these two commands you need to write this, save work, delete CE. Next, okay. This is the model. This is the redo and undo. Okay. Setting.
Okay.
Choose option. Okay, this is towards the piping related things, equipment and setting, graphics, AD view, representation, pipe nozzle, cable, steel. Okay. Next, about this window. So another one, navigate window is there. Okay. So see, maximum you need to use either command window or with the help of your mouse. To rotate, you need to just click at the center of your scroller of your mouse to rotate, or like this. Okay, got it? or to move, you just need to click on the center of your scroller of your mouse. Okay, just try. You will get idea. Next, yes, this is for limit CE. If any line is not visible to you, you just need to click here. Okay, like this. If see this is invisible, then you want to see your pipe, then you just need to click here. It will come automatically. Okay, like this. See, right now it is not visible na, to me. It is not visible, then you just need click here and click at the limit CE, it will come. Next, walk to draw list, and this is for center on selection. It is here. So yes, your your feature will come at the center of your workspace with the help of this center on selection. And this is towards the middle mouse button. Rotate like this. Maximum we are going to use this option. Okay, this is for the middle mouse, like this. Pan view, actually it is something related to the pan. And about these three options I will cover at the piping section. This is for the clipping and option, clip CE, and pick object. This is related to the, if we want to cut any clip, or we want to crop our model at some elevation, or at any direction, okay, in any view. So we are going to use these three options. Okay, and about this is towards the directions. Interest, no one will be much useful to you. Okay. Next. Okay, navigate to element. If you want to select any particular item, then you need choose to like this, and you just need to choose like this. Now see, I just want to select my flange, then being on this arrow and click on the flange. Okay, so like this you need to work, use these tools. Measure tools, this is towards the measuring tool. Okay, and default metric, yes, metric and imperial. Okay, if you want to measure any distance, then we need to use this option, measure tool. And actually there is one option, yes, measure tool. See, you just need to focus here, snap and any. If I am going to close this measure distance, then these two window will also clear from here. See, close. You got it? These two windows are also not there. When I click on the measure tool, those two window will open. Measure tool, these two window will open. Okay. So they have some means. Okay. So we'll see about these two window also. While we are going to measure any distance, then I will update how to use these options. With the help of these two options, we are going to measure the distance. Okay. And yeah, that's enough for the general brief about PDMS tool. And anything else you want to, you won't have any doubt, you want to ask something?
Sir, I already installed my in computer,
Okay,
but I don't have any DB database.
like these types of database.
databases, equipments, and also plungers.
Why? In design
Yes,
options,
sir.
no options are there.
No option, sir.